Ellie.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I
Good
hope
morning.
you've had a lovely Christmas and
Back.
New Year. We are back vlogging.
Bang.
It is what's the date?
2nd
of January today.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Hopefully this is better than the last year.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Can't get emotional. We are at Dunham Massey today, aren't we?
We are, yeah.
We've got our National
Trust membership. So we'll be touring the National Trust places.
Yeah, but we thought we'd take you on a little tour of Dunham Massey today, so it's always good to see, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we will update you when we get into the little park place. Oh, we haven't got a map. Oops. So guys, we just walked through the building. It's literally like 2 centimetres again. We're just going to go to the deer park, I think, today. Oh my gosh, guys, I'll update you on a little thing. So I was here the other day with my mum and dad and my grandma and Chewbacca, and guess who we saw? Molly May. And I was proper fangirling. And like, I should have gone up to her and like, she looked at Chewbacca, and like, I should have just like gone up to her and been like, can I have a picture? But I just didn't have the guts to do it. And it was just so awkward. And my mum and dad didn't know who she was. And I was like, Mummy, Mummy. And my dad was like, what? But yeah, that's the goss. We've just entered the deer park, guys. I hope we do see some deer today.
There's just one there.
There's just one drown.
Oh, look, there's a swan. That belongs to the Queen.
All swans, I think, don't they? Do you want to say hello, Ben? You camera shy.
Yeah.
Look, guys, it's the deers. Wait, are they called deer or deers? Deers. Deer. Let me zoom in.
They're real as well.
Yeah, not plastic, aren't they?
What's about like stripy bums?
It's a good.
Are you scared of it?
I'm not too sure whether they're scared of us or not. They look a bit like skunks.
Skunky, yeah. Skunky.
They've got big stripy bums. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest.
What?
Like, I'm all for like animals and stuff, but they're a little bit scary, aren't they?
No.
Let's just show them again because we're a bit closer now.
We're a lot closer than we look on camera.
Yeah, like that looks quite far away, but like we could probably run at them now if we wanted to.
Run at them?
We're not gonna.
Oh, hello.
They're so cute.
Hello. Hello, Dave.
They're so fluffy.
Yeah, fluffy, yeah.
Little fluffy reindeer thing.
Where's the big...
Oh, there is a baby.
Yeah, of course it is.
That's definitely a baby. It's so fluffy, but they're all pretty fluffy to be. Maybe it's just like a fluffy type of deer. I think only boys have antlers, don't they? It is so pretty here though, look.
I know, look.
Pointing at himself. I totally get why Molly May comes here. Yeah. There's a house over there, but I don't really know what it is. It's so pretty though, it's so like, and we've come on like a crisp winter's morning as well, so it just makes it all that.
I'm ready for summer now though, to be honest.
No, Ben, don't be that person.
Yeah,
We've got Centre Park.
Yeah, no, I know. It'll be a little bit
like,
warmer then, though, that's March.
No, it's not.
Like, we go on the 28th of February.
Go on the 28th of February.
So, we're there the 1st, 2nd and 3rd and 4th of March. So, it's basically, that'll be a lot warmer. That'll be like 12, 13 degrees.
We're going to do a little Primark haul as well today, aren't we?
Today, yeah, we're going Primark after this.
And
go town. Primark, I've got next, I'll go next.
Yeah, we've got loads of vouchers. We're going to do you a Primark haul of
Breakfast.
outfits for Centre Parks. Yeah. We're also going to get a bit of breakfast because I'm starving. Starved.
I'm starved, but we'll get it in the cafe.
Yeah, we are.
Un cafe.
Un café de leche, por favor.
What's that mean?
Coffee with leche, with
Beans. I look
con
like a spaceman in this. I've just seen myself. That's Star Wars.
I think you can get the right with that.
That way? Oh,
Yeah,
at the
so.
end?
No, and then you curve round. I think Ben doesn't really know where we are. No. It's a really long walk, you know.
Is it just like this?
Like, we're used to like a 10-15 minute walk. I'm actually not joking. It's like, it's a good hour and a half walk.
We've done 1.3 kilometres.
We have. We're going to have done like...
walking for 20-15 minutes.
10k by the time it might even be 5k by the time we're done, I think. But it's a good walk, you know. You know what you should do? You should come running here.
Yeah, I was thinking.
We could come with my mum and dad, take Chewbacca, and you could run.
Go for a run. Good idea.
And it's like a nice scenery as well. Like loads of people come running here. I'm just not a natural runner.
No, you can walk the dog.
I can walk the dog. I can walk Sausage.
Yeah.
And that can be.
Good plan, yeah.
Yours. Smiles. So guys, we've done most of the walk. We're not done most of the walk. We've done like a good portion of the walk. We're just on like the last strip now, aren't we?
Last stretch, yeah.
So we're just going to get to the
deers. I can see a lot of deers.
There's a lot, so we're going to show you them because they're really cute and really fluffy and like white and stuff. So it'd be super cute and cozy.
And I'm hungry as well.
I'm so hungry. I'm starving.
Could eat a deer.
Ben, don't say that.
So not fun.
It's so horrible.
You can't eat deer, can you?
I don't think so. Yeah, we're in the deer sanctuary. It is so pretty here.
Loads of them.
Yeah, there is. Let me try and show you.
What is it?
No, so that's where the deers are. Do you want me to show you Ben so you don't miss out on Ben? Smile, Ben. You're on camera.
Winked.
You just winked. You winked at the camera.
Yeah.
Well, look at all them deers, guys.
Dear, oh dear. I'm so funny.
They're all different colours. Look at that big white one.
There's a white one. Yeah, I think they can see. Let's go this side.
It's so big. Look at them all the stuff there. That is a little bit creepy.
Look at that size of that. Seen that one there, mate? Right. Size of the antlers on that. Look at that.
Big guy.
They're all cute though.
Little reindeers. They're all having a rest after flying from Santa's sleigh.
Yeah, they are. I've had some few weeks. Hello.
They all got such fluffy tails.
Look at him. Loads of them. So guys, that was just a little mashup of a couple of things we've done in the new year. Been quite a casual new year for us, but yeah, just a few things we've been getting up to recently, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll have plenty more coming up very, very soon. And if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. Thumbs up.